Hello guys, so today I am back with my another video. Today I am unboxing Marvel Chitauri from Flipkart. So let's begin. So guys, let's open this packet. Wow, it's very nice toy. Wow. Wow guys. Legs are also moving, head is moving, and hands are also moving. Very good toy. And here is a weapon with it also. Let's try to fit it. It's not fitting. I don't know why. Let's try one more time. It's not fitting. Wow, very nice. Joints are also moving. Very good toy. Wow, it's a very good toy. Wow guys. Let's try to fit its weapon one more time. Wow. All things are moving. All things are moving. Guys, it's a very good toy. It's a very good toy, guys. Let's try to fit its weapon. Wow guys, now it's fitted. Now guys, it's fitted. Very nice it's looking with weapon. Wow, it's looking very nice with its weapon. Most amazing toy in my collection. Weapon is looking good. It's a very nice toy. Bye bye guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and please share my video. Bye bye guys.